Benny Big Gun here. I'm coming at you all today with a review on the Browning Bookmark URX AirGun replica. So let's take a look around the box. Let's take a look at all that. So, take a look here. The English side. 4.5mm 177 caliber. You can all pause this and read it all if you want. I'm not going to read it all. It says here 90 meters a second. That is, I did translate that into FPS. That's 295 FPS if it's correct. The translation from the internet. Just unzoom that real quick and we'll open this up. I did do an unboxing of this gun. I'll be linking that in the description below if you want to go see the original unboxing when it arrived in the mail. And at the end of this video there is going to be some clips of me shooting this gun. So stay tuned for that. Open this up. We got the instructional manual. Just some pretty basic stuff. Some big pictures, you know, describing how everything works. All that kind of stuff. So that's that. Get that out of the way. Got some bubble wrap. We got the gun itself. So let me put that down a minute. There's nothing else in the box. This is empty hole here. I don't know what this is for. It came exactly like this. So some of you know. I'd appreciate it if you let me know in the comments. Let's get all this out of the way. Get the gun in frame here. So let's take a look around the gun real quick. Here it says Browning. I don't know how clear it's going to turn up, so let me zoom in. See if I can get it to turn up. Browning Bookmark URX. What I like about this gun is how detailed that they made it as a replica. We have rubber grips, really grippy, and it's got texturing on it. Got the Browning insignia right here. We've got nothing at the bottom. Turn that around. It's really interesting the way they really made it look almost identical to the real thing. Very similar. I will add a picture of that in here somewhere if I can. Even the cutouts, you know, the way you pull the slide back. Some more writing here. I'll try and get it to clear up for you on camera. Sure you can see that all clearly. It's even the cutout extractor here. It's really interesting. It's all molded in, of course. Now, the only thing that actually is working on this gun is you can manipulate is the safety. Because this is an automatic safety as it said on the box. So yeah, we do have a rail up here, an accessory rail for things like red dot sight. The safety on here is, like I said, automatic. Let's take a look at the barrel. I want to show you the trigger. See, actually, this is actually really easy to cock. I'm doing it very slowly. It's a super easy barrel to cock. Let's see there. It is a recessed barrel, by the way. You're not gonna see it right, but there is an inner barrel in there, like half an inch deep. So it cocks very easy. You can see. Now I want to show the trigger. And of course, you see the safety is engaged now, and the trigger is hard. You can't pull it. So once you cock the hammer, once you disengage the safety, you can pull the trigger. Of course, it is unloaded, and the trigger is actually not a soft trigger by any means, but it's not that hard, and after a couple of shots, you can easily get used to it. Let's see if I can show you the sights. Yeah, so that's that. I've got some measurements for you. So the barrel length, that would be from here all the way up to here, to where it breaks. It's going to be 15 centimeters, 5.90 inches. The overall length is 29 centimeters, 11.41 inches. What was it again? This here. The grip length, so that's going to be a straight line from here all the way down, so it's going to be a straight line. It's 14 centimeters, 5.51 inches. From the front of the trigger here, or the back from right here, from this point on, to the back of the grip, with a straight line, it's going to be 10 centimeters, 3.93 inches. So that's the end of the measuring. I tested this gun, shot about 500 pellets for it. What I used was the the URX Mosquito flathead pellets. I used those in my tests, and that is also what I used in the clips in the shooting video that I'll be showing at the end. I only did a few clips, like a few seconds each, shooting at different targets. So yeah, it is quite accurate, the gun. Actually, I find it shoots a little high, but apart from that, it shoots alright. It's, in my opinion, it shoots a bit high, so I always aim a bit lower to the target. This gun, the build quality is unbelievable on it. It is so solid. It's quite weighty. It's really solid, solidly built. When you got it in your hand, I have not held the real gun, but I can imagine that the real deal feels very similar to it. It feels great in the hand. Doesn't feel tinny or cheap at all. It's all metal here. It's metal all the way until here, and it's a plastic. The grips are rubber, like I said. The trigger is plastic as well, I believe. As is the trigger guard. Apart from that, it's all metal. The inside, of course, is metal, completely metal. Of course, the interior parts, I'm sure you'll find some plastic parts. But this gun is great for beginner shooters, some plinking, cans. It's great for doing that kind of thing. Anyway, that's about it, you all, for the review. But before I go, I want to discuss the price. I got this at 60 euros, something like $80. That's what I got it for. And I got it from Shoot Club, the website is called. I'll list that in the description as well. It's a German website. That's where I got mine from. And the original unboxing video, when it came in the mail, I unboxed this, and there was another gun there as well. I'll put that in the description as well. So that's about it, you all. Let me know in the comment section below what you think to the review. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to, most of all, have a great day.